Organic in Brighton with the lovely Mel, who's just setting up in the background. And I am doing some filming with her for her YouTube channel today. So I'll leave all the links down below to Mel's YouTube channel so you can go along and follow and subscribe. But yeah, we're just at her offices and I'm so excited to be by the sea again. It's so nice. And the weather is actually lifted because obviously we've had horrendous weather over the last few weeks, or a few days rather. So yeah, we're gonna basically just do some filming, play with some amazing products, and maybe I'll try and run away with them all because there are so many nice products here. So I just can't wait to kind of get on with the day and do some filming. So I thought I would take you along. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe because it really supports my channel. Also, don't forget to go and follow Mel's channel as well down below. And if you would like to sign up for my free Glow Summit, which features some of the most incredible ladies being interviewed by myself to get their top tips and tricks on how to glow from the inside out, the link's in the description bar below. So let's get on with the video. The blue chair just had to go. Had to go.
Not a fan of the blue. It's quite good with all the products in the background.
Yeah. So these are the products all in the background. All amazing, amazing brands. So through that wall there is a jewellery workshop going on. And it's just such a cool little office space. So there's jewellery workshop in there, and then this is Mel's office, and then downstairs there's ceramics. We've just finished up filming and the videos will be going live on Mel's YouTube channel really soon. So I'll, like I said before, I'll leave the links all down below. So you need to go and give them a thumbs up and subscribe because it was so much fun. Did you have fun, Mel?
I had so much fun. Thanks, Ailish.
It's all right. So I'm basically going to go and have a little look in TK Maxx now because apparently they have some incredible natural products in there. So I just thought that I would go and have a mosey. Oh, hi! That lipstick looks so nice. Which one is it again?
That's the Coolie Caramel 123 Bright Pink, it's called.
It's so nice. It's lasted throughout the whole of our filming as well, and she hasn't touched it up once. And
I'm a serial lip licker. Yeah, did I say that?
Yeah.
Anyway, I'm gonna get out your vlog.
So yeah, so I'm gonna go and have a little mosey around there and then get the train back to London. It's a microphone. Damo, go for it. Just like, go and sing it again for me. Just practice, round 2 practice.
It's not round 2, she's filming it. Will you sing it with me?
Was that my song?
I added one more channel to the giant YouTube tree. Now you have found my channel and have started to watch me. I took my camera and found some beauty things. Now I report on all that natural beauty brings.
Woo!
My name is Ailish Lucas, I'm the glow getter. I want you to live your life naturally better.
It's me.
I really want to lose 3 more pounds.
Thank you.
So I don't know why I'm so stingy.
Easter egg.
Really stingy, isn't it?
Good morning, guys. This isn't normally where I start off my vlogs. However, I am it's in Acton somewhere. I can't actually remember for the life of me whereabouts, north, south, east or west that is in London. Having a special moment. Anyway, I'm here to see Kjaer Skincare today, which is very exciting. If you don't know Kjaer, then I first came across Pi when I was moving over to natural and organic beauty, and within 2 weeks of trying their products my skin just cleared up completely when I tried so many other things that just didn't work. So I'm super excited to be going to hang out with them for a little bit today, and then I've got some other meetings today. One at lunchtime with Bright Skincare. Oh, can you hear the birds? And another one later on with a nice PR company. So yeah, a busy day, so I thought I would take you along. So let's go. So I'm just in the production area at Pi, which is so exciting to be in. And they have just finished a batch of making some avocado cream, which I just showed you then. And they're just packaging everything up over here behind me, which is just so cool. It's exciting.
This whole section was recently built, and it's going to be these doors are going to make sure that the air is completely like purified.
Oh wow.
But they're just being set up now. How cool
So
is
cool.
This is my favorite part. Isn't this exciting?
Oh wow, this is so amazing.
Hi guys.
Hi.
What are you making today? Avocado cream?
Oh, nice.
Sorry.
It's alright.
You just finished batch? Yes. Just finished now.
So I can't. Oh, I don't know if we can see. There we go.
It's very good actually. I was just wondering when I heard about that.
Such a bird's eye view, look.
I was just confused. Yeah. 90-day returns policy. If you don't like it within 90 days, you can return it for free.
Yeah. So many amazing Thai products. This is where all the research happens. How exciting. I won't get too close just in case there's like secret products.
Yeah.
Oh, this is so
This is
cool.
actually a filling machine that's automatic.
Oh wow! Hi! Great,
How are
thanks.
you? This is like what you get to teach in the process.
This is so cool! Hi guys, so I realised that I ended the vlog a little bit abruptly. I basically ran around London yesterday like a headless chicken, and after I finished up at Pi, I went to meet the founder of Bright Skincare, which is a gorgeous brand, and a really, really lovely lady, Catkin. And then after that, I went to meet up with the gorgeous girls at Neil's Yard, which was really fun. And then I went to meet up with a lovely PR lady as well, and then ended up getting the train back to where I live. So it was a really, really busy day, and I didn't get back until like I think 9:30 or 10:15 or something. And then this morning I've just been out for more meetings with some PR people in Manchester. So yeah, busy day. But anyway, I thought I would end the vlog. I really hope you enjoyed the video. It was just like a little snippet of what I've been up to over the last few days, because I know you wanted some vlogs, so I will make them better, I promise. But anyway, if you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.